Hey guys, Lico here from Life&Dive. It's Christmas and Brinyte has bought me a new toy. It's the new Div12S. And well, let's have a look what's in here. Stay tuned. Ooh, that's my office. Pretty good, huh? Alright, here we are. That's the box. Some strange reason it came from the Netherlands or whatever. Open. Oops. The classic Brinyte box. We all know it already. Nice packing. Foamy. And what do we have? Ooh, I think this is the baby. Ooh. In bright pink. And here we go. Brinyte 12S. Alright. With a lanyard. And some quality check. Okay. Charger. Spare O-rings. Very good. And user manual. Well, I think I'll have to press this button. Woohoo! Okay. Well, of course, as you know me, nice, very small. And what I'm really curious about is this little button. That's a new thing. Before the Brinytes had the magnetic switch on the back. Right, they come in 3 colors: in black, this pink, and blue. Well, I think now we're going to wait for darkness, and then I'll show you what this baby can do. Ooh, pretty dark, huh? So let's see what this little thing can do. Oh, hey, there we are. Huh? Oof, damn, that's bright, huh? Okay, yeah. Completely white out here. That's this. Let's do the same thing as last time with the split screen. I've turned around a little bit, and behind me, check out that. That's the tree, and like last time, if I just put the light here on the wall, you see I'm quite light as well, so that's nice. And again, the button, we have 2 different intensities. This one here is a little less stronger one. Doesn't really come across on the screen here, and that's off, well, obviously. But hey, let's check out this thing here again. Turn around, and wow, that is the screen. That's my office. That's pretty sick, right? I think I love this. That is absolutely cool. It's a tiny little torch. Check this size. That is nothing. Comes with a little nice indicator here. And the screen is like fully loaded. It turns into yellow, I believe, if it's 30% and 10% if it's on below 10%. It turns red, sorry. Okay, cool. Right. Okay, oof. Back in normal. That's all right. Let's put it up there. Bottom line, it's very small. It's just a tiny bit weaker than the Div11 that I'm using with the 1100 lumen. This one you're at 1050. But it's actually quite a bit smaller, so quite a nice thing, I believe. It comes in 3 colors, as I already said. I think maybe a bit matter of taste. And actually, I've been in the water with that already. And yeah, the button here, that is maybe a little bit of a weak point, because you actually need to press quite a lot to get that thing working. Yeah. Other than that, it fits in absolutely every pocket. Love that size. Yeah, and so far the battery lasts and lasts and lasts. So, and for the price, pretty good. Check it out, guys. I love it. I'm gonna use it. See ya.